What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video. I know this video was way different from what I normally be doing, my basketball content or whatever, but I ain't made a video about over a week now, but I've been kind of sick, my sinus infection and all that stuff or whatever. um, and I just decided to, just check my analytics real quick. And this video is kind of like a tutorial to check my analytics, and you can like follow behind me, follow along with me. And if you're a YouTuber yourself, you can do the same thing I'm doing for like check my analytics and see where my channel stands and what I need to do to improve it and stuff. Cause I'm still trying to grind, still trying to grow my subscribers and watch hours and all that stuff, so I can get monetized. So, if you feel free, if you have subscribed already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, all that good stuff. And let's get into the video, man. So first you want to do is go to the top right beside this bell. Just click on your profile picture. You're gonna see all the stuff right here. Just go to YouTube Studio. Click on that. Come on, Wi-Fi. Then to the left. Well, all right. This is your dashboard right here. Sorry. This your dashboard. You got your the last upload you had, YouTube news. Your channel news or whatever, analytics stuff right here. But you want to go to the main stuff. You want to go to analytics right here to the left. Click on analytics, and right here it shows. My channel has gotten 4,734 views in the last 28 days. Could have been more, but I haven't been putting out that many videos. As you can see, how my graph looking right here, not looking too good. Almost flat line right here. Well, it's not too low. Got a few, 140, 114, 146. You got 99. Then I got over 1,000 right here on this day. That was pretty good for some of the views and stuff. Then drop down to 250. Sorry guys, I kind of got interrupted. Got me a couple of sandwiches to eat while I'm doing this video. So if y'all hear me smacking or whatever, I'm so sorry. I apologize. But had to eat something. I'm kind of hungry. But, looking at my views, got 241. Then started getting lower. Then kind of went up just a little bit, go across. Then got under 100. Got real bad. Need to pick it back up. This the week. Like the past 4, 5, 6 days, we haven't been uploading that much for real. So that's for the last 28 days. Let's well, first click on the watch time. Click on that and see my hours. From September the 15th to October, let's say October the 8th or whatever. Not too good right here. Had a nice little spike at 19.1 on September 21st. Then had like a little bit of a dip, went up a little bit, then started going down a little bit. Then kind of like a roller coaster ride right here, up and down, up and down. Then got a little low right here. So had 180 hours of watch time, which is not good at all. But I'm trying to improve. I'm trying to find time to get back to the groove. I kind of started to feel better, whatever. And trying to get back into it. Subscribers, same thing. Got your little graph you can see right here. I was losing subscribers too. Like I had -1, -2, -3. Like people were subscribing and unsubscribing. And that's mainly from the sub for sub. Try to avoid doing that because it's not good, especially on your end, because make your channel look bad. And so had a good little thing right here, like 9 subs right here. But it could be a whole lot better. But I'm not even grinding like I should be grinding. I really need to get into it. Just need to get that little push to make myself want to do better than what I'm doing. I could be doing better. Um, so use. Then you got reach, which is you got your impressions click through rates, which is well, that might be kind of good. I'm not sure, but it kind of dipped lower than what it used to be. Um, views, 4.7 views in 28 days. Unique viewers, never pay attention to that for real. So look at the graph right here, go across. Um, I can see how it is. Like it's not good. It could be better, but I'm just showing you how you guys can look at your analytics and kind of scale your channel and see where you're going with it and what you need to do to improve and stuff. Um, got your traffic sources. YouTube search is 64%. Direct or unknown. You got the browse features, channel pages, suggested videos, and others. Then you got the external. Uh, okay, what is sub for sub? 39.5. I have no idea what that is. Google search. So that means people searching certain stuff on YouTube and came across some of my videos and they actually clicked on it. DuckDuckGo.com, Facebook, YouTube. What is this? Okay, so I'm not trying to make this video too long. I'm just trying to skim through this real quick. And if anything I didn't touch upon, y'all let me know, and I'll try to comment below or whatever, or make another video. Pretty good sandwich. I was thinking about doing like videos like this, like little tutorials. Try to help people out, like the smaller YouTubers. Like I'm still kind of small myself, but I still got people that's smaller than me that got way under 1,000. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing like a either start a new channel or just do it on this channel where I'm helping smaller YouTubers out, like little tutorials and stuff, like how to do certain stuff on YouTube, checking out different things like how to do their thumbnails or channel art, whatever you need help with. I can help you. Like I've been going through a lot for like how to do my channel and stuff, and editing and all kind of stuff. Like I done been doing this for a little while, a little over a year, for us like constantly doing it, and I kind of picked up on how to do certain stuff. So I wouldn't mind helping other people out. So let's go to last 365 days, which is the last year. Um, go to overview. Okay, so right here you got 43.3 thousand views, and as you can see, like damn near flat line, real low. Then it gets to right here where I had some good views right here compared to what I normally have been having. It could be way more than that, but I haven't been grinding like I should be. Then drop down again, as you can see. Then another little jump to 1,080 views right here. Then you got the watch hours. You got 1.9 thousand watch hours. But see, I need 4,000 watch hours to get monetized. That means let's just say I'm 2,000 away, cause just round this out right here. That 1.9, just 2,000. I need 2,000 more to get monetized. So that being said, I would like for you that are not subscribed to please subscribe to my channel. Help me out. I'm trying my best. Well, I haven't been trying my best. I need to start trying my best to help my channel grow, but I can't do without you guys, really. I really can't. I need the motivation. I really need the motivation. So, you see right here, the watch hours stuff, real bad. Like, not looking good right here. Uh, the end of the year, then start the beginning of this year, all the way until like late June, early July, where I started getting a lot of watch hours and stuff. Then just bloop, drop down again. And yeah, I gotta pick that up, man. Gotta pick that up. Subscribers, last 365 days, I got 547. And this is looking like up and down, up and down, up and down. Like it looks crazy. A lot of negatives because I was losing some and gaining some, but I was gaining more than I was losing, so that's a good thing. Gaining more than I was losing, and so then you come down here, you can see your top videos in this period. Okay, my top videos right here: attending Amazon new hiring event. What happened? The view duration, the average view duration was 3 minutes and 12 seconds. The views I had on that was 6,000. That was published in May 5th, 2020. Um, then up on the next one, number two, got Flight plays former D3 player Devontae Freaka 1v1. Average view duration is not good at all, 147. I think that video was like maybe between 9 to 12 minutes long. So that wasn't good, but still got over 5,000 views, but they wasn't watching not even half of the video. Like all my videos, nobody's watching over. Like the average view is not even half of the video. Then so you got so on and so on. You got other videos. I got 5,000 views, 5,000 views, 3,000, 2,000, 2,000, 1,000. Then you got the recent videos right here. This one 1,000. This one 951. Kind of surprised me on this one because that's the first video I did where I was like talking about the upcoming NBA prospects for the upcoming draft. I was surprised this video got 951 views. Yeah, so I've just been trying to figure out what videos you guys want to see. So comment below what kind of videos you want to see. I'll make sure I get them out. And I think that's about it that I wanted to show you guys for like analytics. I could go deeper into it, but I don't want to make the video too long. But if anything y'all want to know extra about this, just let me know, and I'll do my best to explain to you guys. But I just want to make a little quick video before I lay down, take a nap for work. I gotta go to work tonight, but yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure y'all subscribe if y'all new and all that good stuff. And till next time, your boy King Smooth. And if you still rocking with the basketball videos, I'll keep doing those. If you're rocking with the tutorials, when we start doing those, I do that on this channel. If you think I should do a different channel, start doing that, let me know in the comments below too. But yeah, till next time, your boy King Smooth. As always, stay smooth, stay blessed. I'm out.